channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Today I wanted to do a look using the new Backtalk palette from Urban Decay. My grandma is on the way to pick me up, so I am in a bit of a hurry. That's why I did everything else first. And so we're basically just going to be doing our eyes together. So this palette is really cool. It has a cheek side, you have Cheap Shot, Double Take, Low Key, and Party Foul. And then in the middle, there's this mirror, and it's really cool because it can go in the middle, but you can also take it out if you need it. And then you turn it around and you have the eyeshadows. We have 3 sheets: Bare, Curve, Backtalk, Shade, Attitude, WTF, and 180. All the colors in this palette are super pretty. I just haven't gotten a chance to play with it yet, so I thought I would do that today. I'm going to start by putting 3 sheets all over my eyelid. Just picking that up on a flat, sort of fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take the shade Backtalk, and I'm taking this on a fluffy brush and just going to start placing it in the crease, and we're going to blend it out. I'm blending this out all the way to my brow bone. I'm making sure it's very light once it gets that far. I'm going to go in with the shade Curve. I'm going to start by putting that in my inner corner, kind of bringing it out farther on my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Attitude, and we're going to put this in the center of the lid, kind of meeting up with that shade Curve. Next, I'm going in with the shade WTF, and I'm going to start by packing this on the outer corner area. And I'm going back in with the brush we used for Backtalk and not adding any extra product, just kind of blending it out. You don't want any harsh lines. I just sprayed my brush with some Fix Plus, and I'm taking that shade Attitude again, just to make the color pop a bit more. For the under eye, I'm going in first with the shade Backtalk. I'm keeping this in the outer corner and slowly working my way in. Now I'm taking WTF and I'm packing this on, keeping this mostly in the outer corner. Now going back in with the fluffy brush, we're just going to blend out the edges a little bit. Now I'm going to quickly tightline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Alkaline. I'm also going to do a tiny little wing, hopefully, with the MELLOW COSMETICS Precision Pen Eyeliner. I'm going to apply my current favorite mascara. This is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I'm going to be wearing these LILLY Lashes today. These are in the style Hollywood. Okay, lashes are on, and I added some bottom mascara. I totally forgot and went ahead and did my face before I started this video, and I forgot that they have cheek/highlighter kind of colors in here. So I'm just going to add those on top of what I'm already wearing. So I'm going to take a bit of Party Foul, and I'm just going to go over my highlight. And I'm going to go in with Double Take. I'm just going to put this over the blush I already had going on. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to line my lips first with Edge to Edge lip pencil from MAC. And I'm going to finish off the look with Backtalk. This is a Comfort Matte lipstick from Urban Decay. And there you have it, you guys. This is my completed look using the new Backtalk collection from Urban Decay. This video was not sponsored, I forgot to mention that in the intro, but everything was sent to me as PR. This was just me showing you guys a look you can do from the collection. I'm very happy with this collection. I don't have much to say about it though because this is my first time using it, but so far, so good. I think all the shadows are pretty pigmented. There was barely any fallout. As you can see, I didn't put powder down, but I was able to wipe it away and we're all good. This lipstick is super comfortable, and I really like all the colors in this collection. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to be notified when I post new videos, you can hit the little bell icon down below. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll have it on the screen right here. And I think that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!